Sorry, Kirby's not here with us. It's because... Kirby, why are you here?
I need to eat.
Okay. I'm in the washroom, by the way, because Kirby is studying and he doesn't want to focus. So I'm going to do this by myself.
Sit there.
Nope. This is nothing. Get up. Told you it's nothing. Just a bunch of, you know what, and animals. So, here's our world. By the way, we tried it now. We tried Kirby's iPad. It worked now. My mom gave him the charger. And then yeah. And I made a wall so that we can, you know, no zombies will go to our cave. And I got more iron. And I mined also. And I killed 2 creepers, as you know it. But I only got few, so this video will only be as long as 10 minutes. So how many potatoes do I have? I have this potato, this much potato. Good. I'm not sure if I want to decorate this home. Do I? I think I'll just give me all of these. I'll just make this into, you know what's it. Oh yeah. And yeah. Let's go to my old or to my new and brand new cave system. I found a brand new cave system. It's somewhere around the road. Whoa. No, it's just somewhere here. Wait, did I forget? It's on easy, right? Yep, it's on easy. Okay. Kind of don't see. Oh, no, wait. It's a cave system. Nope, it just leads to darkness. I tried to grab carrots from the villagers, steal them, and then tame one horsey, and then hopefully get a better ride. Just hopefully. Where is that cave? Where is that cave? I've been finding that cave. Oops, starving. Good. That one? Oh, I think it's this one. I'll just parkour up. Yep, it's this one. Because the torches are here. I found all the iron here. All the way path has iron. But this doesn't have because it's just like that. So I found the mine shaft and I'm going to explore it now. I'm going to tame one horse on the next episode. This have nothing. Wait. Yep, this has nothing. Come on, vámonos. And again, let's go back. And then... Ooh, hopefully there's no mobs. It's because if there is, I'm going to run away. Time good. Time's good. Time is good. Nope, nothing there. I think I meant all the iron already. Yeah, I'll have to find a better cave. I have to find a better cave again, and again. I have to find a better cave. Yep. There we go. Oh, yeah. Going back, there. Am I lost? Whoa. Magic. And I'm lost. Shoot. No. Should have bought a compass. Oh, good thing. Yeah, I remembered my way. Oh. Why is it so laggy? Ow. Yes. And you're here too. Hello. Get out of my swamp. It's not mine, so you can have it. Wait. I should check the furnace. Nope. Horsey in my... There's a... Okay. Oh yeah, creeper just blew up in my face last time of video. So I'll have to find carrots in the villagers. Oh wait, this is carrots? I don't think so. I think that's wheat. Yep, I found carrots. Found carrots. Yes, how many carrots did I have? 8. That should be enough. Hopefully I can't eat, I won't accidentally eat them. Want to find a horsey, a pocket full of horsey. Oh, here. Horsey. Come on. Open. Come on, open, horsey. Please, horsey. Calm down, horsey. Horsey. Please. Right, horsey, open. Open, horsey, or you will die. Horsey. Open your tummy. Open. Horsey, please. Please, horsey. Please. Wait, what? Wait. What? Found a skeleton horse. I don't need you anymore. Mika na! Well, wait, do I have leather? Nope. I have to find my cave. This my cave? But I found a new cave system. Yay for me. And a brand new one too. Another new one. Oh yes, yes, it's over here. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Off to my bed. Off to me bed. Off to me bed or I'll die. Come on, come on, Carmelos. Ooh, hopefully the skeleton will just be there. Saddle. Here's my saddle. Should have brought that. Horse armor. How to craft the horse armor? I want an iron horse armor. Come on. Come on. Where's the iron horse armor? I need an iron horse armor. Why won't you let me craft it? Unless... Nope, 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 no, 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 no. Seriously? No? No such thing? Please? Please? Well, we just better sleep. Okay, good. I'm going to ride or find another horse. Or if that horse works, I'm going to ride that cool skeleton horsey. Skeleton horse, come and get it. Is that him? Is that him? Please tell me it's him. Are you the one? Are you the one? Be the one tonight. When I first saw you. Here was that. Horsey, tooting. Finally found a horsey. A pocket full of horsey. Horses. Meeting a skeleton horsey. Wait, I forgot about the time. Oh no. Yeah, I think it's time to end the video. Bye.